taxiing before or after a flight because of other airplane traffic, paying for a beer at the airport bar because they didn't ask which size you wanted. When security makes you separate your already separated Ziploc bag of toiletries. No water bottles allowed, as if flying isn't dehydrating enough already. Pilots who like to give updates about the altitude every 15 minutes while you're trying to sleep. Trying to squeeze all of your stuff into the bathroom stall when you're traveling alone. When anyone near you has to use their barf bag. Being over 6 feet tall and trying to fit in those ridiculously small seats. When there's a last-minute gate change, and you have to run through the airport like a maniac. That passenger who boards the plane sick, then sneezes and coughs the whole flight. When you're randomly selected for a secondary security screening. Flight attendants who are annoyed with you for asking questions. The neighbor who should be flying first class because they don't fit in standard seating. Being forced to check your bag because there's no more overhead bin space. The person who brings stinky food onto the plane. People that hold up the security line because they don't understand the contraband list. A neighbor that aggressively claims the armrest.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.